G'day everyone, I'm here at Bonnie Beach in Cayenne, and which is on the banks of the Tamar River, and I'm hopeful of a nice sunset. But the one element that I'm missing today, which was been around all week, and plenty of it, is cloud cover. So cloud cover in sunset photos really gives the light an opportunity to bounce around. And if you don't get it, then you get essentially a graduated sky. So let's hope that we get some clouds in the next 20 minutes to roll through, in particular to give the stop motion some sense of movement. So next Saturday is being the first Saturday in September, and I'm at the Deviot market from 10 till 12 with my prints on sale and an invitation to come and have a look at the gallery, which will be opening up again on Friday, Saturday, Sundays from mid-September. So if you're in the Beauty Point area, I'd love to see you on a weekend if you want to come through and have a look. Otherwise, pop in and say hello at the Deviot market. Fabulous. All right, thanks everyone. Have a pleasant evening. See ya.